I'm Sharon.
And I'm Sharika. So today we're going to show you guys how to create the perfect guest bedroom for your guests.
We are always having guests during the holidays, during the summer break. So we're going to show you how to make them feel at home.
Not too at home, because we do want them to leave.
Some of them anyhow.
So we already did our feather topper and our fitted sheet. You guys can kind of see those steps in our how to make a bed video. Now we're going to add our flat sheet.
Yes. So we've already pressed this because we like to press. That's the first step in making the sheet look very luxurious. Yes, yes. And just tuck.
Tuck, tuck, tuck.
So they can be snug as a bug in a rug. So next we're going to add this beautiful quilted
cover up.
Well, you see how I just tucked that in so I can have a nice clean edge on this side. That looks really good and tailored. I almost feel like I want to jump into the bed.
Not this time.
So we're gonna add some sham.
And next we're gonna add our sleeping pillows. It's great to just do fresh white because you can just throw them in the wash
And have it ready again for your next guest when they come to visit. So we like fresh white and color.
Next, we're gonna add some accent pillows.
Yeah. So you see how we pulled in some of the white, some of the creams and taupe and the blue. So if this was during the holiday and you wanted, you can just pop off these, add some red or green or whatever is your color palette for Christmas. So next we're gonna add a throw on the end of the bed. So we're choosing to use orange. We're pulling the pop of color from the artwork and some accessories in the room.
Now that the bed is made up, we're gonna go ahead and start accessorizing our nightstand.
And we chose to use a lamp with a nice reflective base and a really nice white linen shade. And we're gonna continue with our theme of orange and white, just to give it that pop. Keep it nice and fresh. And we're gonna add some metal. So it's really nice little bowl that you can either put your cell phone in, change, your wallet, you know, just something at the end of the bed. Even if you had a cup or a glass when you didn't want to rest it on the nightstand, you just rest it in here. We added a white quilted faux leather chair just on the side, just to keep with the theme. And we're adding in the same accent pillow that's on the bed to sort of pull it over across on the other side of the room.
And then we're gonna add a nice puff of orange right on the bottom of this nightstand.
Puff of orange, puff of color, girl. That looks really good.
Awesome. I think that's
a
it.
Simple fix. Your
One more thing.
Oh, we forgot. So, what we do for our guests when they're coming in, we do a little welcome basket. We add a blanket for extra comfort. And we add some nice fresh white towels and some face towels. So they have their bath towel, their face towel, and then we do something really special. We get some small shampoos and conditioners and soap, and we put it in here so when they come, they don't have to feel they have to bother us and ask us to get something. So they have everything that they need right here. That's just one extra step to make your guests feel special. So thank you for tuning in. Hope you got some really good tips to make your guests feel at home. See you next time.
Mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working